Welcome to my mathematics channel.
So we're solving compound fractions. That means that we'll have more than one sign in this problem here. Now, first thing we'll have to do, we'll have to change all our mixed numbers into an improper fraction. So now, the first one, I'm going to say, so I'm going to do at the top and I'm going to look at the bottom. So now, I'll say 3 times 2 plus 1 will give us 7 over 3. Right, my 3 good. Right. Now, plus 3 over 7. Let me rewrite the bottom 2. So now we'll have 3 times 2 plus 1. That will give us 7 over 3. We write our operation sign, which is a multiplication sign. Now you're going to say 7 times 1 plus the 3 here. So now we'll have 10 over 7. Now, persons tend to forget the bottom or they tend to forget the top when they separate it. So I like to rewrite my questions like this. So let me just separate here. So now, I'll write my question using brackets. So I'll write the top here. So it's 7 over 3 plus 3 over 7. Put it in a bracket. My division sign, because remember our line here tells us that we're dividing. Open bracket now, 7 over 3 times 10 over 7. Now, for the first section now, we'll have to find the LCM because we have different denominators and we're adding. So now the LCM here will be 21. So now we say 3 into 21 goes 7 times. So we say 7 times 7, that is 49, plus, and now we're going to say 7 into 21 goes 3 times. So now we'll say 3 times 3 is 9. We write our division sign here. Then we look to see if we can simplify anything over here. So we can take a numerator with a denominator. So we realize that we have something common here. So we realize 7 can go into itself one time and 7 into itself again goes one time. So now we're going to see 1 times 10, so it gives us 10 over 3. Now we move to the next part. So now we need to add these two things. So we'll have 49 plus 9, which this will give us 58 over 21. Write our division sign now. 10 over 3. And then we know that when we're dividing, we'll keep the first fraction, change the sign, then flip the second fraction. Or let's say the fraction that comes right after the sign. So we'll have 58 over 21 times 3 over 10. Now we can look to see if we can reduce. So can we reduce anything here? Firstly, we can look at the 3 and the 21. So 3 into itself goes one time, and then 3 into 21 goes 7. Now we're going to see what can go into both 58 and 10. So 2. So 2 into 58 goes 29 times. And then 2 into 10 goes 5 times. So now we'll end up with 29 times 1, which that will give us 29 over 7 times the 5, which gives us 35. Now we look to see if we can reduce. If we can't reduce, we leave it as is. Alright, so we look at the second question. You might want to take a minute and do this on your own and then come back to the video. You're free to pause the video and then come back. Alright, welcome back. So now we're going to go ahead and change the mixed numbers into an improper fraction. So now we're going to see 9 times 5 plus the 4. So now we'll have 49 over 9. Then we'll have a minus sign. Now we'll have to say 3 times the 4 plus the 2, which that is going to give us 14 over the 3. Now look at the other fraction. Let's say 3 times 3 plus 2, which this will give us 11 over 3. So again, I'll rewrite my problem here because, as I said, students they tend to forget the denominator or the numerator. They'll tend to forget one of them, so they'll separate and do a part and then they'll forget one part. So I like to rewrite my question like this, which is 49 over 9, and this should be in a bracket, minus 14 over 3, close the bracket, write our division sign, have 11 over 3. Now, we are subtracting here, so we have to find the LCM because there's two different denominators. So the LCM for 9 and 3 is going to be 9. So 9 into 9 goes 1 time. So we'll say 1 times the 49, we're going to get what? 49. We write the operation sign. Now we'll say 3 into 9, which this will go 3 times. So we'll say 3 times 14. This is going to give us 42. Write our division sign here now. Bring down our 11 over 3. Now we'll have 49 minus 42. This will give us 7 over 9 divided by 11 over 3. Now we'll rewrite the first fraction, change the sign, and then we'll flip the other fraction. So we'll have 7 over 9 times 3 over 11. Now we'll look to see if we can reduce anything here. So now we'll say 3 and 9, we can reduce that. So we'll say 3 into 3 goes 1 time, and then 3 into 9 goes 3 times. We can't reduce anything else, so now we just have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So now we'll have 7 times the 1, which is going to give us 7 here. And then we're going to see 3 times the 11, which will give us 33. We look to see if we can reduce. And if we can't, we just leave it as is.
Please remember to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell for a notification when I update videos. And also make sure you like, share, and comment.